What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Revolut. First thing you should do is to simply open your Revolut account and you will see right here on the top left corner this icon, which is your profile icon. Just click on it, then you'll have to scroll down till you find account option. Click on account option, then you'll find here personal details. Tap on personal details. Then you will see here some of your information, full name, date of birth, and other things like that. Just click on verify identity below. And after that, they'll ask you to choose between your passport and your driving license. Choose whatever you want, then you have to take two photos of your passport or driving license, one for the front and one for the back. Then they will ask you to take a selfie of yourself, but make sure that you don't put in your eyeglasses or any face mask or any something that covers your eyes or face in general. And after that, they will review your information, then your identity will be easily verified. And now we finished. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.